They tell me that if you work hard, be honest, and show some respect to your fellow man, that you can be a success in this country. Well, as you can see from this election, that is some bullshit. This shit just proves that huh, you don't need no hard work. You don't need no smarts. You don't need to be honest. That this is a country that if you're a crook and a liar, a cheater and a jerk, then that's how you win in this country. So, what do I tell my kids? How do I prepare them for success in this country, America? I have to encourage them that if they want to make it here, they have to be cheaters. They have to lie and forget about respect to your fellow man or woman, especially women. No, we don't respect those. Women are just objects to be used at our pleasure. That's right. I'd even tell my daughter that now. That it might be your body, but it's their choice. You get it? I make sure to tell them that they have to be greedy. They have to take from others that's not theirs. But make sure that you have some real powerful friends, because they're the ones that's gonna get you out of any trouble, so that when you screw over one guy, you live again to screw over the next guy. Because that's how you're gonna make it, right? That's how you're gonna get to the top. And rules don't apply to you. That's for the weak and the poor, because that's the whole aim of this. You're gonna get rich and powerful, and you'll be able to do whatever you want with no consequences. You see, I've been bullshitting you all along. All the time I tell you that you don't lie. Bullshit. You don't cheat? Come on. Or you expect to win? You're not really good at anything. You have to cheat. This is America. And if you want to make it here with hard work and honesty, you're guaranteed to fail. Kids, that is the way, the American way. And one last important thing, you make sure you grab them by the pussy, because that bitch is yours.